Welcome to this quick tutorial where you'll learn how to check your eBay gift card balance. Whether you've received a gift card for a special occasion or you're a frequent eBay shopper, knowing how much you have left to spend is always useful. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to eBay's website. Simply type ebay.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will bring you to eBay's homepage, where you can access all their features and services. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the page for the menu that includes various options. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Gift Cards. Go ahead and click on that. This section is dedicated to all things related to gift cards, including purchasing new ones and managing your existing cards. After clicking on gift cards, the next step is to select the option that says Add Gift Card. It's typically highlighted in this section, making it easy to find. This might seem like you're adding a new card, but it's also the way you check the balance of your existing card by associating it with your account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your gift card code. This is a unique number that you'll find on the back of your physical gift card or in the email if it was an electronic gift card. Carefully enter the code into the provided field. Double-check your entry to ensure there are no typos, as an incorrect code will prevent you from accessing your balance. Once you've entered the code, click on Add to Account. After you've added the gift card to your account, eBay will automatically display your gift card balance. You'll see this information on the same page so you can instantly know how much you have left to spend. It's as simple as that. Some additional tips. If you're having trouble finding the Gift Cards tab or the Add Gift Card option, try refreshing the page or checking eBay's help section for guidance. Also, remember to keep your gift card information safe and secure. If you ever run into issues or your balance doesn't show up as expected, eBay's customer service is available to assist you. And there you have it. You now know how to check your eBay gift card balance quickly and efficiently. This simple process can save you time and ensure that you're always aware of how much you can spend on your next eBay purchase. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.